You guys, so from Amazon I ordered these pill and stick backsplashes, and if I can find them again, I'm pretty sure I can, I'll leave the link below. But they came in and they're so cute. As you can see, there's these little indents here and here and here, and what happens is they just interlock together, and they just keep interlocking when you peel them, and then it'll end up something like that, which you guys just saw. But it's a pill and stick, like a sticker, exactly like a sticker. They're kind of bubbly-ish, and it has a little bit of the marble, a little bit of the light gray, some white. They're pretty glossy. I don't know if you guys can actually see because it's a little, the lighting's kind of weird, but I just want to show you guys, these are the pill and sticks that I got from Amazon, and I'll leave the link below. Hey guys, so right here I'm showing you guys that we painted all the way up until about here. I only painted about a couple inches in, and then from our cabinets I just aligned those and razor cutted that straight, and we will fill in the gaps later at the bottom, but we're just following the straight line all the way across, and we will also fill in those gaps, and we're just gonna continue it all the way around the kitchen. It's a little messy because we keep moving things from one side to the other side, but we'll continue right now all of this. That goes all the way over here to the fridge, and then we'll stop, but we might go all the way up there if we have enough. But until then, this is where we're at, and then I'll come back when we fill in these and try and fill in those. Wish us good luck. Here we're going to go ahead and trace the outlets, and my only recommendation is don't do what I do and cut on the lines. Go ahead and cut a little bit inside of the lines to make it a little smaller. We have officially finished our backdrop. Everything else is a little messy right now on the counters, but we did finish what we ended up wanting to do. Up there you can see a little bit of space, but when you're above like this you can't see it, and plus we're going to be doing all this, and then my dad's going to put some stucco along there. I know when you get closer you could see some things, but we finished it. Finally, we finished it. I have to say, these freaking things were a little harder than I expected. This one and this one, well, all of them. But yes, we made it. Sorry for the pause. I was thinking all of them, but just those two that we did with the backsplash. This looks so cool and so pretty with that little sparkle. I don't know how that sparkle's going on right there, but that's happening. And I'm very excited about this. And now we gotta do our ugly cabinets. So I just want to show you guys the finished product. My mom did want to end it right there. We were gonna take it all the way up. That's what my brother wanted to do. And I and my dad wanted to take it just along the bottom all the way over to the fridge. But whatever mommy says, mommy gets. So that's that, you guys. I hope you like this tutorial. If there's anything I left out, I will answer it in the comments down below. I hope you guys enjoyed. I may or may not do a video for the cabinets connected with this one, or I might just upload this one and then do them all separate. But that was that. I didn't get much footage, I know, but I'll try and explain it maybe via sitting down or like text on the video and try and explain it, or hopefully I'm gonna look back on the footage and see what we got. But I wanted to show you guys that is our finished project on the backsplash from top to bottom behind our stove. Hopefully you guys try this out. I will also leave the link for this color. Let's see, this marble gray. If you guys like this one, I'll just leave it in the description down below. Also, these little covers, we went and got them last night. They're from, I was gonna say Lowe's, but they're actually from Home Depot. Lowe's didn't have any good ones. And I will let you guys enjoy. Thank you guys again.